Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This guy came up with the genius idea to uninvent the wheel.
Oh, wow.
Oh, dude, what the hell are you doing up there?
Since the release of the Cybertruck, there's been a lot of people modifying them in unique ways, and this one is no exception. Urban bike riding clearly wasn't enough for these guys, so they decided to bring the fun underground.
والله عطاهم.
Yeah, bros. Yeah, we can.
In the rivers of Thailand, the people love to drag race each other in their mini turbocharged boats. It turns out that sports cars perform pretty good off the road. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.